My name is Puneet Datta. I am the founder director of Ataware. I have received a special request to do a water test of our cutlery, which is made from grains and jaggery. The question that's been asked is if I use and throw it in the water, how many days, minutes it will take to dissolve. So I have a spoon here. Uh, it's a fresh spoon, I haven't used it. I will put this spoon in the water. I've put this spoon in the water, and now we're going to calculate the time that it will take to melt down to get dissolved in the water. What time is it? Let me have a look. So it's 6:27 and the date is 20th of May 2020. So let's see how much time this spoon will take to dissolve in this water. Thank you very much, guys. Please mark the date and time. We will come back moment this spoon gets dissolved. And for the time being, what we will do is we will lock this jug and we will keep it here. I appreciate, and I'll come back with more information to see how much time does this spoon take to dissolve. Thank you. Guys, my name is Puneet Datta. I'm the founder director of Ataware. I'm back again. We were testing the decomposition cycle of one of our cutleries. How much time does it take to dissolve in the water? So we kept this spoon in this jar yesterday at 7:30 p.m. It was 20th of May yesterday at 7:30 p.m. and right now it's 21st of May, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So let me see what is the state of play with the spoon. See, it's already broken down into pieces. They are very soft. In less than 24 hours, this has already been dissolved. So I guess I'll leave it as it is for another 24 hours. And we'll come back and see after 24 hours and how much time does it take exactly to get dissolved in the water. Appreciate your time. Thank you. We kept this spoon in this jar on 20th of May, 6:27 p.m. Today is 22nd of May and the time is about 7 p.m. now. So it's been approximately 48 hours. The spoon is in there. It is there in the jar. Let's open the jar and see what is the state of play of the spoon. Spoon has lost the shape completely. And let me see. Mind you guys, we haven't stirred the water, we didn't move it, did not shake the jug at all. We just kept it as it is. And if you see the bottom of the jug, there are some pieces of the spoon, but the spoon has been broken into small pieces by water. And let's see what is the state of play with these pieces. So if you see them, they're very soft, and they've been converted into wheat flour. Jaggery has already dissolved, wheat will dissolve in another few days. So what I will do is, I will put this back in the jar and let's continue with this. So I'll pack the jar again. We will keep checking it after every 48 hours. So I'll come back on 24th of May at 7 p.m. to check again what has happened to this spoon. Thank you. Stay tuned.